What's up, you beautiful people? Welcome to a very special episode. The title says it all. I bought a walking foot sewing machine. So a lot of people don't know what a walking foot machine is, and I'm glad that I get the opportunity to show you what it can do. So I had an industrial plain stitch machine previously, and it just wasn't doing what I needed it to do with leather. It was perfect for like canvas and denim, but I felt like the machine struggled a little bit with stitching leather. This machine is very new school. It's got a servo motor on and it is completely quiet. Like those of you who are familiar with older sewing machines know that it can be a bit noisy. So when I tested out the machine by the guy's place that I bought it from, like he switched it on and it was dead quiet. I was still waiting for it to start winding up. Definitely something that I need to get used to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run one piece of vegetable tan leather through the machine, then one piece of double butt leather, then two pieces of vegetable tan and two pieces of double butt leather. The machine can stitch through about a centimeter of leather, which is like really great, and it's really gonna help me along my leather crafting journey. So let's go check it out. So basically that's what a walking foot machine can do. You see how the foot of the machine walks along as it's busy sewing, and obviously that's where the name comes from. I know I need to backstitch, I know. So you heard the sound the machine made when I put through two pieces of double butt leather. So what I did was adjust the speed of the machine, and it obviously went a bit faster. And that's one thing that I really love about this, because with my previous machine I wasn't able to adjust the speed, and I would literally just touch the pedal and it would shoot off, start sewing, and I would end up missing and just wasting a lot of leather. So I'm able to adjust the speed. It can go really fast. I stitched on the slowest setting that it had, and I just turned it up 2 notches for the two pieces of double butt. So I'm really looking forward to where this journey is going to take me in my leather crafting career, and I really feel like I'm in my element when I'm making leather goodies for cars. I mean, it's no secret, you guys know I'm crazy about cars, and hopefully in the near future I'll be able to do auto trimming on a bigger scale. So if you like this video, hit a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you want to see more. I have even more content coming, and I really want you guys to see what I get up to with my new little toy. If you want to ask me anything, please leave me a comment. And until the next time, guys, be safe and look after yourselves.